Alright guys, it is Facebook challenge times. So today we are diving into repurposing content, which is going to create more value for your customers and your brand awareness. So whenever you see this image, know that the repurpose challenge is on. Challenges come out every weekday at 8 a.m. So make sure you participate to get the best bang for your buck. Free buck. It's free. It's bang for zero buck. Ooh, ooh. It's all on you guys. So if you participate, you're helping your business out. If you skip on it, you're hurting your business. Maybe not necessarily hurting it, but you're not doing nothing to improve it. So participate at least once a week and you'll help see results. All right, guys, so what are some ways to repurpose some content? So some content can be a blog on a website that you have had a lot of views on or the most engagement. You could have a social media post. Maybe you posted a comment, an inspiration quote, whatever it is. Make sure that you do a little bit of research, spend 5 minutes just checking both sites, find one topic and repurpose that content. So ways to repurpose, you can create an infographic out of the blog or the image or topic, or you can create a freebie or printable for them. So maybe it was about decluttering, and maybe you could have a printable that is going to be valuable for them. That could be 2-week challenge to declutter your kitchen. You know, just something like that. You know, it's creating more value, more interest, and just sharing that. I almost got to that before we were supposed to get to that, guys. Shh, I'm not going to tell you where to share it yet. Hold on. We'll get there. All right, so you could also reword it, get a new thumbnail, and reshare it. All right, guys, so where to share? Now we're going to talk about that. Share it on Facebook. Tag local groups. If you have a local mom group, like for me, I would share it on like San Jose. Having a brain fart. I don't share it in San Jose. Let's see. Stanislaus County Jobs. Stanislaus Mom Group. Soccer Group. Gosh, it's been a while since I've tagged the groups. That's the power of VAs, guys. Once you get VAs, it's awesome. All right, guys. So after you shared it on Facebook, tag those groups. Make sure you share it on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is only going to let you share a little itty bitty section and the image. So make sure that you share a little snippet about your topic and link it back to your site. Also share it on Google My Business. And also, when you share it on Google My Business, make sure that you create a coupon code. You should be creating one coupon a week or one special a week. So whether it's $5 off or not, it's creating a coupon for Google, and people see it when they're searching for cleaning companies. All right, so what do you do when you finished? Comment into the URL when you've completed the task. Let me know that you've completed it and participated. I love to see you guys out there working hard to get it as a cleaning entrepreneur. All right, guys, once again, this challenge ends at 8 a.m. the following morning. So get on it, start sharing, repurposing. Whoop, whoop. See you in the next challenge, guys. Bye.